Good evening. It's been a very busy day, but I promised the kids that this evening I would make Rice Krispie treats with them. So we're gonna make regular Rice Krispie treats and peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. But it's been such a busy day, I'm ready to wind down for the night. We started out the day with dentist appointments for every single one of us. Even Zeke had his first dentist appointment, and it was pretty cute. He did really good, and 0 cavities for him. And then we had to hurry home, eat lunch, take the kids to music lessons, take Zeke to the park and let him ride down his favorite slides. And then Mr. Jacob starts his apprenticeship on a local farm tomorrow, so we had to run and get him some boots for that. Thankfully, making Rice Krispie treats is really easy, and the only difference between regular and peanut butter, obviously, is one ingredient, peanut butter. So I'm going to show you how to make both kinds, and I think the kids are going to help me. So I will see you in the kitchen. Okay, so let's talk ingredients. You're gonna need crispy rice cereal or Rice Krispies, and I like to buy those at Aldi because they're actually gluten-free. And then you'll need butter, salted butter, marshmallows, and I like to use mini marshmallows, vanilla extract, just a little bit of salt, and that's pretty much it. Unless you're making peanut butter Rice Krispie treats, and then you need peanut butter. The first thing you want to do when you're making Rice Krispie treats is you want to get your baking dish out, get it greased well. I usually just spray it with cooking spray. And then you want to gather all of your ingredients together because it's a really quick process, and you don't want your butter to burn while you're gathering your salt and vanilla. You don't want your marshmallows to burn while you're gathering your Rice Krispies because you want to keep stirring the whole time. So it's really important to grease those pans and gather up your ingredients and have them ready to go before you ever start on the stovetop. And that's where we're gonna go next. We're gonna start on the stovetop by melting our butter. I've got my stove on low to medium heat, and Jaden, you wanna go ahead and add in 5 tablespoons of salted butter. And we're gonna let that butter melt. Jaden's going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. Then he's going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and pour it in. Alright. And once you have that in, you want to keep stirring. Then you're going to add your 6 cups of mini marshmallows. And you want to keep stirring so nothing scorches on the bottom of your pan. Alright. And then you'll just keep stirring until those marshmallows melt. It'll take a few minutes for this to happen, but just keep stirring so nothing burns. You'll just keep stirring until your marshmallows are all the way melted and you don't have any chunks of marshmallows left in the pan. Then you're going to quickly remove it from the heat, and you're going to stir in your Rice Krispies. And that's really all there is to making Rice Krispie treats. As soon as you take your melted marshmallow mixture off the heat, you're going to add in 6 cups of Rice Krispies. And it seems like a lot, but you're going to stir those in really good. And you want to scrape the sides of the pan too, bud. You want to make sure that all of your Rice Krispies are coated really well with the marshmallow mixture. Now you're just going to dump your mixture into a greased pan.
Hey, Mama, is me doing it?
Yeah, I'm going to have you help in a minute, bud. So you can use butter for this, but I'm just going to use a little bit of cooking spray. Give me your hands and rub them together. Rub them together. The one difference between regular Rice Krispie treats and peanut butter is that once you take the marshmallows off the heat, you want to quickly stir in your peanut butter. And you're going to keep stirring it until that peanut butter melts into the marshmallow. That is the only difference between my regular Rice Krispie treats and my peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. And then once you get that peanut butter mixed into the marshmallow and it seems to be melted, then you'll just go ahead and add your Rice Krispies. And then stir it all up. Kids can stir this up for you. It's really hot, so probably a little bit older child. Jaden's 11 and he does fine stirring it up. You might have to help him coat all of the Rice Krispies, but for the most part, they can really help with this recipe. And once you have it mixed up, then you'll just dump it into your greased pan. And then the kids love pressing this down. They've disappeared on me, so. You're like Muscle Man. Are you ready to give these a try? Me too. Alright. Okay, we've got peanut butter Rice Krispie treats and regular Rice Krispie treats. So who wants what?
I want one.
You want one of both? What about you? You want peanut butter or regular? You want one of both?
No, I didn't.
Regular? Okay. Alright. Are you excited? You've got a corner piece. You ready? Here's a little piece of that. And a little piece of peanut butter. I think I'm gonna do regular. Kind of pull them apart and see all the ooey gooey goodness. Are they good?